With the name of Allah, who is the most bountiful and the most merciful, dear students of Allied High School, Kot Sultan, Assalamu alaikum. I wish you all will be fine. Dear students, as you know that we are doing some work at summer pack. So regarding this, today we will solve English summer pack for class 1, and let's move to the activity number 1. Here is the activity first. Label the different parts of the body by using the words given below. Look at these. Here is the head, and here is the nose. This is the mouth. Here is the neck, chest, arm, tummy, hand. These are the fingers. This is the leg, this is the foot, and these are the toes. Let's move to the activity number 2. Dear students, you have to match these pictures and these words in the same way. Here is the P, this is the car. Match the word rain, and this is the bear. Here is the cow. Here is the goat, here is the key, and this is the plane. You can see that this is juice, lip, bicycle, and ball, clock, run, cake, and tree. Activity number 3, which is put the word in ABC order on the fish. These are the words given. You have to put these words in the alphabetical order, and here is the solution. First of all, you will write apples, then bread, grapes, alphabetically ice cream, napkins, pizza, rolls, and soup. Carrots, cup, meat, milk, potatoes, rice, soda, and treats. Activity number 4. Find the nouns from the column and place in correct column. We have 4 columns as you are seeing this: person, place, animal, and thing. In the column of person, you will find the words or the names of person from this column. Here is the girl, boy, and here is the shear. You can write these words in person. In place, you will write school and library. In animal column, you will write turtle, cat, dog, and bear. Things are given in the column box, car, book, bus, and pencil. Now we will move on to the activity number 5. Fill in the table below and prepare your 7 days plan for summer vacation. You can write that at Monday we most spent of our time at home. At Tuesday we visited to zoo. At Wednesday we visited to park. At Thursday with cousins we spent our time. At Friday we arranged a Milad Park at our house and Mehfile Nath. At 6th day, which will be Saturday, we have visited Multan. 7th Sunday, we do some types of shopping. We'll move on to the activity number 6. Label the following picture using the word blank. Here is the parrot, and these are the words wings, tail, beak, eye, and legs. So dear students, this is the tail, these are the wings, this is the eye of the parrot, and this is the beak of the beautiful parrot, and these are the legs of this parrot. Activity number 7. Go to any park and observe different types of flowers. Enlist the names of flowers along with their colors. Names of flowers and colors of flowers. Names of flowers, you can write the number first flower, that will be Rose, its color is surely red. Jasmine, color will be white. Sunflower, color will be yellow. Hibiscus, color will be pink. And water lily, color will be white. Now we will solve activity number 8, which is answer the following question to express yourself. How you become happy and what do you do when you are happy? What makes you sad and what do you do when you are sad? When do you get angry and what do you do when you are angry? कि आप खुश कैसे होते हैं और जब आप खुश होते हैं तो उस वक्त आप क्या कर रहे होते हैं, किस बात से आप नाराज़ या उदास हो जाते हैं, और जब आप नाराज़ या उदास होते हैं तो उस वक्त आप कौन सी एक्टिविटी करते हैं। When do you get angry, आपको गुस्सा कब आता है, and what do you do when you are angry, और जब आप गुस्से में होते हैं तब आप क्या करते हैं। Whenever I get some toys, I become happy. I also felt happy by helping poor and needy people. Whenever I am sad, I read different stories, books that make me relax. In sad mood, I usually spend most of the time in garden by watering the plants and colorful flowers. When my brothers do not allow me to play with them, I become angry. जब मेरे भाई मुझे अपने साथ नहीं खेलने देते तो मुझे गुस्सा आ जाता है. I screamed when I am angry. And dear students, here is the activity number 9. The gifts you want on your birthday. Then give reasons when you want these things. आपने उन बर्थडे गिफ्ट्स के नेम राइट करने हैं कि जो आप अपनी बर्थडे पर लेना चाहते हैं, और आपने रीज़न बतानी है कि आप किस वजह से वो गिफ्ट लेना चाहते हैं. एक्टिविटी नंबर 10. ड्रा योर फेवरेट कार्टून कैरेक्टर एंड डिस्क्राइब इट इन अ फ्यू सेंटेंसेस. कलर द पिक्चर आल्सो. बेटा आपने अपना फेवरेट कार्टून कैरेक्टर चॉइस करना है जो आप देखते हैं. इस बॉक्स में पिक्चर को कलर करना है या कलरफुल पिक्चर लेकर पेस्ट कर देनी है, और नीचे आपने पैराग्राफ लिखना है. Dear students, here is the activity number 11. Paste the picture of your pet and write few lines on it. Here is the activity number 12. A noun that names only one thing is a singular noun. Example, book or dish. A noun that names more than one thing is a plural noun. Example, books and dishes. Most singular nouns can be made plural by just adding on s to the end. Nouns ending in x, z, s, sh and ch forms the plural by adding on es to the end. Add an s or es at the end of each word to form the plural. आपने बेटा इन वर्ड्स के साथ s या es पेस्ट करना है और इनको आपने प्लूरल बनाना है. ये आपके पास सिंगुलर वर्ड्स जो हैं वो गिवन हैं और गाइडलाइन है आपके पास. Here is the activity number 13. Color and count the given objects and write in figures. This is so easy. Dear students, you have to count these birds. How many birds do you see? We can see and count 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we will write here that these birds are 4 in numbers, and then you can color this picture. How many turtles do you see? You can see turtles 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 turtles. Rabbits. How many rabbits do you see? 1, 2 and 3. And you know that these are the carrots. You know that rabbits like to eat carrots. How many fishes do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here are 8 fishes. Now we will move to activity 14. Rearrange the letters in the correct order to make a word. B-A-L-L and it will become ball. Coat. C-O-A-T. Bite, as you know that this boy is biting the ice cream. So this word will become bite, bite. Cane, cane, छड़ी है ये, बेटा ये बोट है, तो this word will become boat, boat. And this is the beautiful duck, and the word will become in order duck, duck. Here is the activity 15. Fill in the blanks with missing vowels. Beta, you know that we have 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U, C, A, K, E. Hive, khonsla, Hive. This is the nose, Nose. Cane, Cane. Time, Time. When we will write I and E, because we have to fill these blanks with vowels. I and E are vowels, Time, time. Wave, इशारा करना, WAVE, wave. Kite, पतंग, KITE, kite. Bone, BONE. Vase, VASE, vase. Ride, सवारी करना, चलाना, RIDE, ride. Now we will move to activity number 16. Observe the pictures carefully and fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. In, on, these are the guidelines. Under, behind, in front of, कोई चीज़ अगर किसी चीज़ के सामने रखी हो तो in front of, कोई चीज़ अगर किसी चीज़ के पीछे हो तो हम कहते हैं behind. Beside, अगर कोई चीज़ किसी चीज़ के साथ रखी हो, नज़दीक रखी हो तो उसे हम कहते हैं beside. The lamp is dash the sofa. यहाँ वर्ड कौन सा पेस्ट करेंगे बेटा? Beside. The lamp is beside the sofa. The pen is on the table. The rug is under the table. The newspaper is on the table. The CD player, here is the CD player. The CD player is on the table. The window is dash the curtain. Curtain फ्रंट पे है, विंडो उसके पीछे है, तो हम कौन सा वर्ड लगाएंगे बेटा? द विंडो इज़ बिहाइंड द कर्टन एंड द कर्टन इज़ in front of the window. Here is the activity 17, which is so easy. Paste the pictures of summer fruits and name them. And this is the summer season, and hope so that most favorite is, I think, mango. You have to paste the picture of mango, and here you will write the spelling of mango. Banana, इधर आप बनाना की पिक्चर पेस्ट करेंगे, इधर स्पेल राइट करेंगे बनाना के. इधर आप वाटरमेलन की पिक्चर पेस्ट करेंगे, इधर स्पेल राइट करेंगे आप वाटरमेलन के. इधर आप मेलन की पिक्चर पेस्ट करेंगे and then you will write the spellings of melon here. Here you can paste the spelling of strawberry you can write, and you can paste the picture of strawberry. Here you can paste the picture of peach, and here you can easily write the spellings of peach, P-E-A-C-H, peach जिसे आप आड़ू कहते हैं. Here is the activity 18. Visit a zoo with your family and enlist the animals you have seen there, and if possible you can paste the pictures of those animals. Beta, here is the last activity of summer pack English class 1. Look at the pictures and tick the correct sentence. The ball is round, the ball is oval. Yes, the ball is round. The ice cubes are cold, the ice cubes are hot. You are right, the ice cubes are cold. Limes taste sour, limes taste salty. कि जो लीमू होता है उसका जायका तुर्श यानी खट्टा होता है या साल्टी नमकीन होता है? यस, गुड. लाइम्स टेस्ट सोर, कि उनका जायका बेटा तुर्श होता है, खट्टे होते हैं वो. द सन लुक्स ब्राइट, द सन लुक्स डार्क. द सन लुक्स ब्राइट मीन्स कि सूरज रोशन यह चमकदार नज़र आता है। द सन लुक्स डार्क या अंधेरा अंधेरा इसका छाया रहता है। यस गुड, द सन लुक्स ब्राइट। चिप्स टेस्ट साल्टी, के चिप्स का जो जायका होता है वो नमकीन होता है। चिप्स टेस्ट स्वीट। यस गुड, चिप्स टेस्ट साल्टी। द ट्रेन इज़ फास्ट, द ट्रेन इज़ स्लो। यस, द ट्रेन इज़ फास्ट। विंटर्स आर हॉट, विंटर्स आर कोल्ड। विंटर्स आर कोल्ड। Wood is hard, wood is soft. Yes, you will correct this sentence that wood is hard.